Hey there, Seth here. Just taking a quick video of me opening this Pokemon trading card pack, Scarlet and Violet Stellar Crown, and this is my second card pack that I ever bought since I was schooling in my elementary days. This happened because 7-Eleven Philippines has a promotional event going on. If you buy one card pack for 259 pesos, you'll receive a Lapras card with a 7-Eleven logo. Yep, I bought it out of curiosity. And by this card, I'm thinking of something valuable one day. Okay, so let's open up this card pack and see what are we gonna get. Oh man, I don't know how I'm going to begin opening this. I know, there goes nothing. Oh. Slowly. What is this? There's a special card. I don't know. Let's review this card later. Let's proceed to the main cards. I did search YouTube a while ago on how to open card packs correctly, and I hope I do this right. Never mind, I'll do this natural way. We have Link, we have Turnator, we have a Imp. What's this? It's new to me. Impidimp. We have a Drifloon. We have Era Zero under that. Oh, Jirachi. Awesome. And oh, cool. Reshiram. And oops, it's a holo. It's a holo Flitto. Okay, awesome. Next is Azumarill. It's a holo. Dreadnought. Another holo. And one energy. So there we have it. We have 4 holos in total. So there we have it. That's our opening session went. I never expect a legendary, and I guess it wasn't a bad pick after all. So this ends our video for today. I do hope you like this one. Please do check my other contents, and hope to see you soon. Peace.